going to take a look here at the new evacuation warning that's been issued for the root fire down in Siskiyou County. Zone SIS 6203 also included as Zone SIS 6200 and 6301. You can get a closer look at this map on KDRV.com, and you can find out where your zone is. A lot of smoke above Mount Shasta there. That is from the root fire that's burning to the west of Castle Craigs. Last check, this fire between 75 to 100 acres, 86 degrees in Mount Shasta. It is hazy in Medford. This is smoke from the fires that are burning in western Siskiyou County, including the Dillon and Blue Fire. Seeing some moderate air quality right now. Good air quality in Klamath Falls and Wairika, but you can see the smoke even from Wairika looking down to the south of the root fire. Smoke drifting to the north, likely going to see this stream up to the basin eventually here as we head into this evening, broadening out the view. Otherwise, we have fairly clear skies throughout southern Oregon and northern California, but that is going to change tomorrow. The threat for thunderstorms returns to southern Oregon and northern California. Tonight, though, we stay mainly clear. Looks good. There is the potential that we could see some northern lights, especially looking off to the north, but smoke could spoil some of that viewing in spots. We'll be keeping an eye on that. If you do take a photo and happen to spot the northern lights, we'd love to see it. Make sure you email those to weather@kdrv.com. Lows in the 40s on the east side, 50s on the west side. Tomorrow will be a hotter day. The temperatures getting up into the triple digits. There's a good chance of that in Grants Pass and Medford. Still pretty hot down in Siskiyou County, 96 in Wairika, up to 90 in Klamath Falls. But the big threat for tomorrow is thunderstorms. These storms will be capable of a lot of lightning, and we are concerned about new fire starts. But one or two storms also could produce some pretty strong winds and some hail. We'll be keeping an eye on that as far as any severe weather is concerned. Red flag warning, pretty expansive for tomorrow, 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. on your Tuesday. Expecting likely numerous new fire starts, something we don't want to see. There at least will be some heavier downpours with some of these storms, but they'll be moving fairly quick, so we'll still be worried about fires popping up as we get lightning. Notice as we head into the afternoon, spotty to scattered storms through parts of southern Oregon and northern California, especially on the east side and up along the Cascades. We'll see more opportunities for some thunderstorms in the days ahead. It's going to be a fairly active stretch of weather for us. Pretty hot through midweek in the Rogue Valley, highs near to above 100 degrees, but notice a cooling trend just in time for this weekend. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, partly to mostly cloudy skies, mainly dry conditions expected in the days ahead. Northern California, some spotty thunderstorms possible tomorrow. We'll be keeping an eye on thunderstorm chances through the rest of the week, especially for the basin. Highs in the 70s this weekend, though. The mountains also looking at potential for thunderstorms in the days ahead. And for the Rogue Valley, a few isolated thunderstorms possible late tomorrow into tomorrow evening with some pretty toasty temps.